Finally, ShibaSwap is live, and now you can stake, swap and earn profit using ShibaSwap decentralized exchange. So hello and welcome guys to this channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can use ShibaSwap in order to stake and earn profit. So let's get started. There are many decentralized exchange websites like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, SushiSwap. These three exchange websites are the best and lots of users prefer to use. So finally, ShibaSwap decentralized exchange is live. This is the homepage of ShibaSwap. You can stake your coin, you can swap your coin, and you can earn Boon coin in instant of profit. So ShibaSwap is an Ethereum platform. It means on each transaction you need Ethereum coin in order to complete your transaction. If we see right side, here is TVL. The total staking coin or the total locked coin is 1.53 billion. It means lots of users are staking their coin, which is about to 1.53 billion. Okay, in right side you can see SHIB coin price, Lish price, Boon price. These three coin is the ecosystem of ShibaSwap coin. If you stake your Shiba Inu coin, you can earn Boon coin. Okay, let's check at first these 6 features, what this means and how you can use it. So this is the first feature like dig, where you can create liquidity like if we check Uniswap or SushiSwap and PegSwap, like creating liquidity. So you must know about how you can create, how you can add liquidity in order to earn profit. So if you provide liquidity in these features, you will earn Boon as a profit. Before creating or providing liquidity, at first let's come to WOOF section, WOOF your return, stake Shiba Inu LP token and claim returns. Okay, click on farm tokens. At first let's check which farms is available so you can easily understand which coin you should create liquidity. So here you will see tons of coins that you can stake, you can create liquidity and earn this much profit. Okay, at first if we see Boon with W Ethereum, Lish with W Ethereum. So if you want to create or add liquidity of these coins, so you must have Boon with W Ethereum. So how you can create or how you can add liquidity, you must come back to big in here, click on provide liquidity. Okay, create a pair or simply add liquidity. You can create a pair coin with coin, or you can add liquidity like input and this much, like if you want to create liquidity of Boon, let me select Boon with W Ethereum. This, if you want to create liquidity of these 2 coin, so simply select the coin and make sure your wallet should be connected. Okay, so for now this video is knowledge purpose, so I'm just guiding you how you can use it. Okay, once you suppose I want to add liquidity of Boon, and how much? 15. For 15, how much you need? Let's suppose 5,000. Then for sure you will see the coin or the liquidity of this coin also. So this is the easiest method that you can add liquidity on ShibaSwap in order to stake your coin and get Boon as a profit. Okay, let's come back. For sure here you can create a pair like Ethereum with any other coin. Here you can see all the coin like you can find on PancakeSwap. So if we come back, let's go back. So this is dig is like liquidity, and here you see liquidity. In ShibaSwap you see by the name of dig, which means create or add liquidity to earn Boon coin. So this is the first step or the first features of ShibaSwap that you can use and stake your coin. So the second feature you can see fetch. It means if you have any liquidity on Uniswap version 2, so you can migrate to ShibaSwap and earn Boon coin as a profit. Here you can see you can migrate your Uni version to LP or SLP tokens to earn Boon coin. For 2 weeks, migrate Uni version to LP token or SLP tokens to get bonus Boon token. Using this section, you can migrate your Uniswap LP token and add it to ShibaSwap and earn Boon coin as a profit. Okay, the next section is Buddy. Buddy means staking your coin. In PancakeSwap, you have pool section where you can stake your coin and get profit. So in ShibaSwap, you have the name of Buddy. It means stake Shiba coin and earn profit as a return. Here if you see, Shibas love to bury what they find. Stake your tokens to gain return. Then in this section, you can see swap. Swap, you might know about PancakeSwap. From here you can swap your coin, exchange coin. So the same process is here. Simply tell your Shiba Inu to fetch new token, swap your tokens for other token. If you click on swap token, it means if you have Ethereum and you want to swap from Ethereum to any coin like SHIB coin. Here, if you have, suppose you have 1 Ethereum, then you can easily swap to Shiba coin or any other coin. So this is the swapping, like exchanging your coin, like swap from Ethereum to SHIB coin, like this. Then if we come back, portfolio is not still available, coming soon. It means your portfolio, like if you have Binance exchange, like you just buy Cardano, XRP, Bitcoins, Ethereum. So your wallet is your portfolio. The same thing is portfolio. In portfolio, you will see all your coins, all your portfolio. So this is the ShibaSwap total tutorial where you can how you can use it, how you can stake your coin, how you can earn profit using ShibaSwap decentralized exchange website. At last, let me tell you how you can connect your wallet with ShibaSwap. Here you can see connect wallet. Simply click here. You have 3 wallet options: MetaMask, Wallet Connect, Coinbase Wallet. Almost most of users just used MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. If you have MetaMask wallet, then simply click on MetaMask. Now log in to your MetaMask wallet. Okay, now your MetaMask wallet is connected with the ShibaSwap. Now you can just start your staking coin, swapping coin, and add liquidity in order to get profit. So this was about ShibaSwap decentralized exchange website. If you have any question or confusion, feel free to ask me in the comment section. So I hope you understand how you can use ShibaSwap decentralized exchange. So if you are new to this channel, click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon to get notification while we upload a new video, because daily I'm uploading a useful video about crypto. So till the next video, goodbye, see you.